Crisco is an alternative cooking oil developed in 1911. It's made from repurposed cottonseed oil, traditionally used for lanterns. The trans fats found in Crisco cause the most damage to the heart, brain, tissues, and cells. When first developed, there were never any safety studies on trans fats. It took over 100 years to get them banned. Similarly, it took 90 years to get asbestos off the market. DDT, a toxic pesticide, took 30 years to be removed from the market. Glyphosate, fluoride, sodium nitrate, and saccharin are still used in the food and water supply, despite significant health concerns. Biosolids are repurposed sewage waste used as fertilizer to grow our food. Dent corn is an inedible GMO field corn used to make over 4,000 different products, such as animal feed, high-fructose corn syrup, maltodextrin, modified food starch, synthetic vitamin C, and seed oils. It is not heart healthy and causes inflammation in the body. Are carbs essential? No. This is the biggest food lie and the most damaging. Most chronic diseases in the U.S. are caused directly by high carbohydrate diets. Lowering your carb intake can produce the most significant health benefits. Keto is attacked because it works. A keto diet can help reverse type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, obesity, mood disorders, cognitive dysfunction, and more. Most Americans have at least one chronic disease. Our dietary guidelines should include a low-carb diet as an option. Although the guidelines are often ignored by the general public, doctors can be penalized for recommending diets outside of them. Introduction: chronic disease and diet, trans fats, toxic ingredients in food, GMO corn dangers. Is red meat unhealthy? The biggest food lie: the dangers of high-carb diets, low-carb diets. Dietary guidelines exposed. Imagine a world where food is closer to its natural state, produced without harmful chemicals, and consumed without fear of disease. Organic farming contributes to environmental sustainability and provides us with cleaner produce. The kitchen can be a place of healing. By choosing whole, unprocessed foods, we're not just feeding our bodies, but promoting wellness and longevity. Every small step towards a healthier diet is a stride towards a healthier life. In choosing better foods, we're choosing a better future. Not just for us, but for generations to come. As we move forward as a society, we have the power to redefine our relationship with food. By returning to sustainable practices, we support the planet and each other. Food has evolved alongside us, shaping our history and culture. Our innovative spirit continues to forge new paths for culinary breakthroughs, potentially redefining what we consume. It's a collective effort. Educators, farmers, chefs, and families all play vital roles in shaping the narrative of our food future. Together, we can nurture a world where health and sustainability are the top priorities.